In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell beats on Sellfy. Whether you're a seasoned music producer or just getting started, jumping into selling your beats online can open up a whole new world of opportunities. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need. First things first, we'll need to get into the Sellfy dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Products section. This is your central hub for everything related to what you'll be selling. Here, you'll want to click on Add New Product to get started on listing your beat. Now that we've opened up the product creation page, it's time to choose the type of product you'll be selling. Since we're focusing on beats, you'll select Digital Product. This will allow us to upload files that customers can download after purchase. Speaking of files, the next step is to upload your beat files. You'll want to gather your MP3s, waves, any trackout files, and of course, a PDF of the license agreement. Here's a pro tip. If you're including a lot of files, such as WAV, MP3, MIDI, etc., it might be a good idea to compress them into a single .zip or .rar folder prior to upload. This will make it simple for customers to download everything in one go. Do keep in mind that Sellfy supports files up to 10 GB for the starter plan, or 20 GB if you're on a business or premium plan. With your files uploaded, let's move on to adding some key details about your product. A compelling and clear product name is essential, so think of something that's both catchy and searchable. For example, you might go with something like Afrobeat type beat, dreadlock, WAV MP3 included. It's catchy and also tells the customer exactly what they're getting. When it comes to the description, this is your chance to really sell your beat. Include important details such as the key, BPM, and mood or style, say C minor, 105 BPM, hard trap. Also, outline what's included in the download, listing out each file type like MP3, WAV, and stems, and give a brief summary of the license type you're offering, such as non-exclusive lease. A well-presented product is crucial, so don't forget to upload a high-quality thumbnail image that represents your beat. If you have a short audio preview or a YouTube link featuring a visualizer, consider adding that as well. This can significantly enhance the appeal, giving potential buyers a taste of what to expect. Now, let's talk pricing. Decide on a fair price for your beat and enter it in. Pricing can vary widely depending on what's included and your unique value proposition, so think carefully. If you want to offer different licensing options, like MP3 lease or WAV lease, you can do so in the variants section, allowing you to set different prices for each type. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to selling your beats on Sellfy. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to turning your passion for music into a thriving online business.